everyone, for this snack we're gonna need just these three ingredients: the pear from the can because it's easier to cook, the provolone cheese, and some nuts. Let's go. Well, we heat up the oven at 200 degrees. We just cut this pear just in pieces, cubes, whatever you want. Just to have enough to put in this tray, or whatever you want. This is a ceramic one, and it takes well the heat. You don't have to worry about it. Also one more. Just like this. Then we grab the cheese. This is a thick provolone one. And we just place it over there. Just like that. It will melt. It will be very nice. After that, we grab our nuts. These nuts. And we put it all over. Down. And now this simple thing goes straight to the oven for about 20 minutes at 200 degrees. See you after. Look at that. So yummy. Almost done. And our snack is done. Zrobię bułę.